think, Jayesh, I think what most people don't realize is poultry is a very, very, very technology-driven business. We are very metric-driven business. Many of you will be shocked at the metrics and what goes on, right? Sure, I mean, 92, I was the first one to start coding and wrote, after my engineering, nobody was giving me a job anyway. So that was what was one way to make my dad allow me to buy computers and experiment, right? But today, if you see, we have reduced resource consumption by 70% in the last 35 years. Thank you. So, I mean, just to give you a context, when I finished my MBA, joined back the business, chicken used to probably take about 2 kgs of feed for every kg of body weight. We just had a record of 1.19, which is a little rare, but then that's a leading of how the world is going, right? And I don't know, in Hyderabad, we all love chicken 65. The story was you needed a 65-day chicken. The tenderness, for that tenderness, we need to upgrade it to chicken 30 now. I don't know if anybody's going to do that. But technology drives a lot, right? And I myself am actually now doing an AI doctorate program in AI because we want to start seeing how we can use that, right? Because interaction of climate, what is the bird laying today and all that, and how do we keep adjusting what we do and all that, because again, one other in the last 10 years, Jayesh, the input costs have almost gone up 300 to 400%, but cost of chicken and egg has only gone up double. Wow. Because we're absorbing all that, this thing, right? So technology plays a huge role. Of course, packaging is something that's coming in. I mean, globally it is there, but in India, it's something that we are now, working on, and because I think chicken and eggs are the only food products which still are not branded in India in a big way. I don't think anybody buys milk from it's all packaged now. So, but that's going to start happening now. And I think, so then we're looking at how do we help that, how do we do that? Because I think we can't do what West did. Yeah. We always have to innovate, we have to find better solutions. Actually, that's what the ITC guy sitting there, I said, why the hell are you not doing that in our business? Because carton packaging is big business in US, Europe and all that. People are doing $1 billion businesses there, and and I think so these are things that are coming for sure, Jayesh. And I think technology will definitely drive us in a big way. Actually, today that's my submission is responsible AI in egg production. So I have to tonight submit that paper for my next this thing. So yeah, so that's, I think, but technology is definitely going to be, it's always been big, and I think now it's all again about how do we go forward and how do we help that small farmer maximize. So for sure, the Indian farmer, I don't think anybody in the world can claim does better than an Indian poultry farmer. Mm-hmm. You can't claim that in almost any other field. In poultry, right? Or sorry, talk about dairy where, an Israeli is talking about 14,000 liters per animal and we are talking about 2,000, yeah. Right? Whereas in eggs, I can guarantee you there are few farmers in the world who do better than Indian farmers. But our problem is our input costs are 60% higher than US or Brazil because of the minimum support price, right, and all that, right? But in spite of that, now, if you see the demand for our eggs is like crazy, but we don't have enough to supply outside. Because any little bit हम बाहर भेजेंगे तो for India में crazy prices हो जाएंगे. So that's the problem. But Bangladesh wants 4 crore eggs a day now. Wow. Singapore wants 1 crore of eggs a day now. Wow. So they're all desperate. They want Indian eggs because in spite of them getting cheaper feed, they're not able to compete against us.